Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have the iPhone 12 mini, on which we had already done a video earlier for a few best cases which you could buy. And in this video I'll be showing you the tempered glass screen protector, and this is the cheapest one I could find on Amazon, so I thought, like, why not get it and take a look. Again, this one was just 99 bucks, so let's see what do we get. Of course, at this budget you cannot expect a premium packaging. At least if the product is good, that should be good enough. So this is what we get within a piece of cardboard, which is fine. There's this cleaning paper and screen cleaning paper. One is dry, one is wet. There's a dust absorber, and very interesting, they have got a reading manual or information in Hindi along with English, so that's cool. And they also ask us to give us a product review. Well, that's good. And here is the actual screen protector. Now this is what we get. It says 6D. I'm not sure why do they name those 3D, 4D, 6D, but this is what we get. And with different angles it's kind of visible. Okay, this is how it might be visible. Very different. Okay, edge to edge 9H glass shield, and for iPhone 5.4 inches, iPhone 12, and it says phone case shatter resistant, signals through anti fingerprints. So this is what we have got here, and this should probably fit here perfectly, is what I'm hoping. So the first thing what we need to do is use this absorber and set it up, or you can say use it. So let me complete the procedure and then get back to you. And that's how you could apply your screen protector on your phone. As you can see, it's completely done. Only on the sides we need to press a bit, and if it's not perfect, it's time to probably buy a new one, because that's how things work. And let me also take a look. Like, overall the touch makes a good feel, and again this comes with a rounded corner, so that also would add up to your good experience. It's not hard cuts here, though there are a few bubbles on the sides, but let me just fix that by pressing it. And that's the very simple tempered glass screen protector, along with which I would also have a case over this, which would add up to more protection, because at times the back of the phone is more costlier than the front, so we need to also fix that. So this is how we have done complete protection on our iPhone 12 mini. The link is in the description. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed. Thank you and goodbye.